Sunshine, and I'm an author and illustrator based in Los Angeles. I've written books like Bad Girls Throughout History, Legendary Ladies, and Nevertheless She Wore It, all published by Chronicle Books. I've worked as an illustrator for 10 years on everything from theme park design to doll packaging to book covers to editorial illustrations with clients like Disney, Adobe, and Facebook. I love painting with gouache, and I love teaching people the joy of gouache and the tips and tricks it takes to take their skills to the next level. I also love helping people explore their creative abilities and helping them see what's possible with themselves. I get asked every single day for portrait commissions, and while I can't take that on with my busy work schedule, I'm here to teach you how to paint your own portraits. With the skills you learn in this class, you'll be able to paint self-portraits and portraits of your loved ones from photographs that would make amazing gifts or to keep for yourself. I'll be teaching you the basics of how to draw a face and get a likeness, and then paint with gouache so that you can find your own signature style. Why gouache? Well, it's my favorite medium because it's a water-based medium that's opaque, which means not see-through, so you can paint with it like acrylics or oils, but there's no downtime in waiting for it to dry. And it dries nice and matte, which gives it a nice, rich, beautiful color. And while we're using gouache for this class, feel free to use acrylics or any other opaque paints you have on hand. This class is perfect for all levels, from beginners to more experienced painters who want to try their hand at gouache, because I'll be going step by step on my process, so maybe you'll learn something new. By the end of the class, you'll have a self-portrait that you just painted in gouache. Isn't that exciting? Let's get started.